Hello YouTube, Blue CFL here. Sorry about last week, I was unavailable, but I'm back this week for a Fire Alarm Friday video. This week I'll be unboxing a package from Fahrenheit 4051. I'll be showing you what's inside for those of you who don't know, or for those who do know already, I'll be showing you again. I already opened it up and tested some of the devices, but I'll close it and open it up again. I got 3 of these strobes, Wheelock strobes, rebranded by Cerberus Pyrotronics. Model number is S15/75-STD. They are 24 volt strobes, but looks like the range for proper operation is between 20 and 31 volts. And again, there are 3 of them. They can look real nice right there, all lined up. See? Yeah. 5 of these Autocall pull stations. They're nice heavy-duty metal pull stations. Model number 4050-001T. One thing I'm not really fond of is the lack of terminal blocks. It's got the wire leads on them instead, but you can always live with that. You just have to use wire nuts. That one's obviously been pulled already. That one has 2. And that one. And that one. And not this one, but these are not the easiest pull station to pull. There we go. Now this one has been pulled. Put it down right there. There are, I believe, 5 of these Space Age V33 Storm lights, blue lens with the red body. I'm going to get another one out to get the model number on there. That's a red one. I'll be going over those in a second. Model V33-BL-SZXB-TE24D-00000. I believe those are zeros and not O's. Don't quote me on that. Dated 10/20/95. That's getting up there in age. And last but not least, there are the distant cousin to those storm lights, the standard V33 fire lights. Model number V33-BL-SFXR-TE24D- 00000 or 00000, also from October of 95. And there are 2 of those. For this series, the TE stands for, or means, in this case, flashing incandescent. So these are all flashing incandescent lights. Like my other blue one, it doesn't look completely blue. It's got this lunar white look to it. Yeah, there's all the devices that were in that package. And I'm really happy with the purchase that I made. Hopefully I'll see you next week, and that all depends on my work schedule. Blue CFL, out.